Now 10th chapter, surface areas and volumes. Page number 219. Exercise 10.1. First problem, first bit. Here they have given a cube. They given a cube whose side is 4 centimeter. So they are asking us to find out LSA and TSA. LSA of a cube is 4s square and TSA of a cube is 6s square. So LSA is nothing but 4 into side is 4. So 4 into 4. Again 2 4. This is s square. 4 into s square. Our s is 4 centimeters in our figure. So 1 4 is in the formula and s square means 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 centimeter square. Now square centimeter. Now TSA, that is nothing but 6s square. That means 6 into s square is nothing but 4 4s are 16. 16 6. So 6 6 are 36. 96 centimeter square is TSA. Coming to the second bit, they given a cuboid whose measurements are length is equal to 8 centimeters from the figure. B, if you observe the figure, you will understand, children. H is equal to 5 centimeters. Again, LSA means 2H into L plus B. 2 into 5 into L plus B means 14. So 140 centimeter square is the LSA and TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Nothing but 2 into 8 6 are 48. BH means 6 5s are 30. LH means 8 5s are 40. So 2 into 48 plus 40, 88, 98, 108, 118 children. So 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 3, 2 1s are 2. 236 centimeter square is the TSA. So this is LSA and TSA of the cube and this is LSA and TSA of the cuboid. Okay children. Now coming to the next one. Second problem. Find the total surface of area of a cube is 13506 square meters. Find its volume. The given TSA of cube is 1350 square meters. That implies, what is TSA of a cube formula children? 6s square value they have given now. That implies s square is equal to, this into 6 will go this side as by 6. 1350 by 6. So 6 2s are 12. One time again 6 2s are 12. 3 left 5. That is nothing but s square is 225. From this we can write s is equal to square root of 225. That is nothing but 15 meters. But we don't need side children. We need volume. Therefore volume of cube is equal to, formula is s cube. Already we found out s, so from that you need to find out 15 into 15 into 15. Okay children, this is the way you need to do cubic meters. Hope you understand. Find its value and write it here. 15 cube value you write it here in the blank, because I am giving a rough idea of the problem. Coming to the third problem, find the area of 4 walls of a room if its length, breadth and height. If they given length, breadth and height, that means the room is in the shape of a cuboid. So in order to find area of 4 walls, that means if you are not taking top and bottom as into the account, we need to take LSA. If using complete all the 4 walls and top and down, you need to take TSA. 4 walls means you need to take LSA children. If you want to take top, bottom and all the 4 sides, you need to take TSA. But here we are not taking TSA because they asked the area of 4 walls. So what is L? They have given 12 meters, breadth is 10 meters, height is 7.5 meters. As LSA of cuboid is 2h into L plus B, 2 into 7.5 into L plus B means 12 plus 10. These two you should add, no? So 22. Okay. 2 into 7.5 means here 15 into 22. Using Vedic Max, I am doing the multiplication. 12, 10, 2, 2, 3, 322. 3 to 0. See here children, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. 330 meter square is the LSA of the 4 walls. The given LBH, you need to find out LSA using the formula.